guys, this is the access to going up. It's a stair, the vertical stair. Okay. Very high. So this is the platform of this unit for the cold storage. So we'll go up. Okay. So now guys, I'm going to clean this unit. I'm using this air. now. It's okay, guys. It's okay now. This discharge valve is loose. Broken this valve. Hard to twist. The turning this one. Hard to turn. So we need to use this vice grip and adjustable wrench. So we need to close this one because there is a refrigerant. I'll take out this compressor. I'm checking this compressor. Having an issue again. This is an old compressor. Guys, going now to take out this compressor. It's okay now. It's low straight. So we'll put the front set. This one. The big front set. To save this refrigerant. Check this. This is discharge valve. We need to close. On the other side. This damage is compressor because of this contactor is broken. Damage. The electrical. The rewinding. We'll see. It's also broken. So this is the measurement refrigerant inside this compressor. So we need to discharge this one. We need to discharge. Using this. Take a look. Open all the access for this. Okay. Very well. So little by little, going down. Like so. This is close, meaning to say there is a pressure inside. There is a refrigerant remaining inside, and also this one. This is closed. This is the suction valve. Close already this one. So this is there is a pain inside this one. There is a pain pipe going to evaporator. Also this one. There is a going. There is a pressure also this one going to evaporator. So this is the condenser. This one. So this is totally closed. Closed. So this one, I will discharge this pressure, the refrigerant. So after that, pressure is down. Then I will take out this compressor to check again what is happened this one. So the problem this rewinding is burnout because of this contactor is damaged. Contactor damage this contact point will deteriorating. So this is a problem. Sometimes electrical problem will burn out this winding with this compressor. So I think this one is no problem for the mechanical. Okay, we'll see. We'll open later on this one after this charge is disappear. This is ozone safe. Ozone layer safe. This one, no problem. Okay, going down. Let's take out this one. Electrical also. We need to take out. Take up also this electrical. So this is totally take out using this Allen key, Allen wrench. So electrical. Circuit is now electrical. Okay. Electrical, this one. Electrical for this compressor.